Okay, this is my theory on Saturn. Alright, this is an upward view of the planet. Okay, this would be its rotation. Tilted, 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 kind of like a top slowing down. Okay, now if you got a core on the inside that's doing that, you would have a hexagon storm at the top. Okay, the hexagon storm is also 2 or 3 times bigger than the Earth. Okay, so it would be, the gases would actually expand and it would be a giant storm. Okay, so when they expand coming out the top because they're warm, because the subcore is what I like to call it, more or less would be molting because of the friction, tidal friction. Okay, when it moves over the planet, it'll condense, and this storm down at the bottom is like a hurricane that's the size of the United States. Well, when it gets sucked up, it'll warm, then it'll come out expanded, and it'll be a larger storm at the top than at the bottom. The atmosphere, or the whole outer shell of the planet Saturn, is actually lighter than water. So the core, when it's spinning, the planet is actually going to be spinning a little bit slower, or a little bit after the core is. It's going to have to catch up. It's going to have a lag in it because where it's, it's so much less dense. So that's more or less my Saturn theory. It's pretty simple, actually. I don't see why scientists haven't even thought of it. I mean, it's just a theory, but it makes perfect sense to me.